The need for a printer is embedded as a necessity within our daily lives, and being without one is unthinkable. But with technology improving more and more, the introduction of smaller and more portable printers are coming to our attention. So this is the Bentsai B10 Mini, and yes, this is it. This is the size, and this is exactly what you get. So this is only a test product, so the colours will be completely different, so don't get confused. This item is due to be launched on the 30th of August, so there is a link in the description to take you there if you want to show some interest. But let's dive a little more into the device itself. So unboxing this guy, and you really don't get much. It's just the device itself and the ink cartridge, along with a USB cable for charging. Setup is rather simple. You just need to pop the lid on the top and insert your ink cartridge. Ensure it's in there tightly and shut the lid back down. Now we're going to hold the power button. You should be represented with these two indicator lights. Now this does work on both Android and iOS. I'm using iOS, so go over to your Wi-Fi settings and select the PRT Fox connection, enter the password on your manual, and you're all connected. Now we're going to want to download the corresponding app. You can do this by scanning the QR code on the manual both for Android and iOS. Now this app will give you everything you need to print on any surface. You do have a printing area that you need to stick to, as you can imagine, the printing size of this isn't that big, but it's to be expected. What's also great about this app is in the top left hand corner, you do have an indicator to show what the battery life of the printer is, because for some reason there isn't one on the printer. So I'm going to zoom in and start simple with a piece of text, and then I'm going to slowly start stretching its capabilities. So the app's user face is dead simple and very easy to operate. I'm going to click text and add something simple to start with. In here you can choose a font and size, so pick something good for you and the object you want to print on. Take off this very nicely done magnetic faceplate on the top of the device, and then all you need to do then is press the print button on the device itself. It will make a beep sound, and that will indicate it's ready to be slided along a surface. And to do this, you do just go very slowly to a reasonable speed, and you'll get this really nice print. And as you can see, it's almost precise. When I run my finger over the print, it is on there well, and truly with no rubbing at all or smudging. The water-soluble ink works like a charm, and the never-endless possibilities of surfaces to choose from makes this device a very versatile piece of kit. If you make a mistake, you can use rubbing alcohol to get it off, so it isn't completely permanent, but it's nice to know there is an option if you want to get it off. Now this device is perfect for pinning your brand on items of your choice. Just click the image icon and add your logo. You're going to want to make sure it is dark because it doesn't seem to pick up light colours, so maybe change your logo to an all black one. Add your logo into the printing user face and hit print. Once again, press the print button on the device and slowly go over your object. It's very easy to customize things, and to be honest, it would make a great addition to any business who are looking to brand things there and then. Even just printing labels for household goods is just dead simple and really easy to do. And not to mention quite pleasing as well. You can print a lot from this cartridge, and with a USB Type-C charging, you get a quick charge and a sufficient battery life too. There's plenty to play around with this. The never-endless possibilities of using this, it's just up to you. If you like the idea of this product and what it represents in terms of product customization and endless possibilities, well, check out the product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.